Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Gargi and you are watching Creative Gonai. Today I am going to share with you Madhubani painting, a famous painting of Bihar. तो आज मैं एक ही आर्ट फॉर्म एंड एक ही DIY ट्राई करूँगी, पर आप लोगों के साथ मैं 3 डिफरेंट आइडिया शेयर करने वाली हूँ। तो उसके लिए आपको बस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना है। तो चलो without further ado, let's get started with the video. First, I am taking an empty cake box and I think this box is very common. It has with me for 3 to 4 years and finally I will make something with it. Here I am using gesso to make the surface paint ready. As per the lid, I have cut a piece of paper and on top of the paper I have drawn a fish in Madhubani style. Here I am taking a yellow carbon paper and masking tape, and with this I am going to trace the painting on top of the lid. Again, I have cut a piece of paper according to the circular portion of the box and have drawn lotus in Madhubani style. Similarly, I trace the painting over the box. Now I have to fill the colors. Madhubani art is usually done by filling the colors with brush. And this process is very time consuming. This painting is very popular because of their tribal motifs and use of bright colors. Madhubani paintings are characterized by the vibrant and bold use of colors and traditional geometric patterns that supports the main theme. Here I am using acrylic colors, but actually these paintings are done with mineral pigments prepared by the artist. Madhubani is a highly symbolic painting. Here I am drawing a fish, which is the sign of fertility and prosperity for good luck. Indians' cultural heritage is very rich, and Madhubani is a traditional art which shows its creativity. Madhubani means forest of honey. It is a place in North Bihar. Madhubani also referred as mithila art, as it flourishes in the mithila region of Bihar. So first I filled all the colors and now I am outlining. If you want, you can outline first. I usually found that the outline is done at the first and then the color is filled in. But I think it's better for me to do the outline at the end and fill the picture with a lot of geometric patterns, which is the main theme of Madhubani painting. Lastly, adding some dots with dotting tools. Now I will quickly paint the box. Here I am coloring as per my choice, but you can do it with any color combination. So what I learned that Madhubani painting is very easy. Bus you have to fill the colors, outline the painting and fill it with geometric patterns. But it's really very time consuming. Finally, adding some more dots. So I am going to share with you 3 different ideas on how you can use this. So our first idea is you can use it as a jewelry box as it is. These 2 jewelry are handmade and I will give the link in the description box. The second idea is that you can use the lid as a wall hanging. And the third idea, you can use this box as a planter. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. And if yes, then please hit the like button, comment down below, share this video with your friends and family. And last but not the least, please subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy. Thank you.